Leo, you love me? I swear he loves me. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a really fun trend. It's been going around the makeup community for quite a while. Glam by Roxy was the first one to post it, and she did it with her adorable Pomeranian. I don't have a dog, so I'm going to be doing this with my fluffy boy Leo. We're doing a fun thing. He's like, no, put me back in my perch. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, you go do your thing. Goodbye. He's off. So hopefully he's going to cooperate and help me pick my art or DIY project. We'll see how this goes. I chose to wear black today. Why? Good morning, Leo. Are you ready to pick some art supplies today? Oh, that's your butt. Breakfast first, he says. Hey, those are not cat food. You ready? Up, up. Good boy. Why do you chew so loud? It's time for his nap. We're gonna have to wait a little. Leo, can you clean that window for me, please? Thanks, buddy. First, I'm gonna have him choose between 6 different project possibilities, which are drawing, painting, jewelry making, mixed media, room decor, and a polymer clay sculpture. Ready? Come here. Come on. Come here, please. You ready to pick my stuff? Tree? Walk, walk, walk. Okay, which one? I've decided he has to fully commit, so sniff is not gonna do, knocking it with his foot, no. He has to acknowledge it and touch it with his paw. New plan, ready? Which one? But he's going to the treat bag, of course. Get the thing. Get the thing. Which one? Touch one. Did you touch? You didn't even touch one. Ready? Which one? You gotta pick. No. You got the crayons, or did you touch that first? I'm not sure which one he picked, so we're just going to narrow it down to the 2 that he tapped at basically the same time. You wanna draw? Now we're gonna see what he wants me to draw with, either markers, crayons, colored pencil, or chalk pastel. And I may have borrowed this idea from Christine, Simply Now Logical, because this really got her cats going and excited to pick something, so I'm tying the things to strings. He sees them. Shoot their tangle. Which one do you want? Wait. Oh no, chalk! You picked this? Way to go, bud. He picked chalk. I don't ever draw with chalk. This is gonna be interesting. No, don't eat it. No. Nope, we're done. Give it back. Give it back. next he's going to be choosing the subject matter I'm going to be drawing, which will either be a landscape, a waterscape, a flower, something abstract, food, or an animal. Normally I only allow him to get high on a Friday or Saturday night, but we'll make today an exception. Leo catnip. What's this? What is this? Hold on. You ready? Okay, the first paper that moves. Stand in place. Okay, maybe the first one that you bite. You didn't get any. Ah! Yay! You over it, buddy? I won't make you pick anymore. High five. High five. So Leo was a really good sport. He just doesn't want to participate anymore. At least I don't want to force him to. You see how comfy he looks in that perch. Every single time after we would finish doing a round of picking, he would go back up there. That's where he likes to be during the daytime, aside from his breakfast and snack. He just looks so comfortable. So instead of having him pick which flower we're gonna do, I just decided to make an executive decision, and we're gonna go with yellow, which will be a sunflower. I think that's really fitting because I do see some sunflowers, some little fields popping up as I drive around town. I have some watercolor paper here. I don't have any like specific textured pastel paper. We're just gonna go with this and see what happens. I searched sunflower photo sunset on Google Images. I'm just gonna look through these and use it as a reference. Always helpful to have a reference or dozens. Start with the inside of the sunflower. Don't really like the noise. It's not so bad. It's a lot smoother than drawing on sidewalk for sure. Don't really know what I'm doing. Just kind of layer the browns. Now let's get started on the petals. I definitely didn't think that I would enjoy this so much. I think my favorite part has been the background. And basically for this, oh, this is still not my favorite noise. I don't really like the feeling of powder on my fingers, but at the same time, it is very satisfying to smudge it and blend things. So far, I'm working on a colorful sunset, and I'm gonna have the bottom be basically a silhouette or a shadow down there. The sunflower magically is not in silhouette. The magic of art. Here it is. I owe it all to my cat. It's kind of messy, see? But it's a lot of fun. Should come off of my desk pretty easily. What do you guys think? Not the most stunning composition, but I learned some things. I did something new. I like the clouds. What do you think of my drawing? You helped, look. Whoa. What's that? Leo, do you like it? Don't be licking that. If you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. If you never want to miss a new upload, turn bell notifications on. I'll put a couple of videos here that you can see from my channel if you haven't seen them yet. And I hope to see you guys back here for my next video. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.